getting slower and more expensive.
Wrong. Meet Harbor. The truth is, 80% of time in clinical trials is spent at the computer. Harbor handles the tedious work, searching, compiling, extracting, and organizing, so clinical research teams can spend more time on the human parts of a clinical trial. Harbor is a 21 CFR Part 11 GCP compliant EDC built for fast-moving clinical teams. Link your trial protocol, and Harbor analyzes and compiles a fully compliant study database, complete with study events, forms, and fields. Harbor creates source worksheets directly from database builds, ask for data validations, and get rules custom for your study. Sponsors will spend more time customizing to their specific needs versus doing admin work. Now watch how Harbor helps clinical research sites. Anne enrolled 4 subjects this morning and uploaded the documents into Harbor. The worst part of Anne's job is spending 2 hours after every visit transcribing the data from source documents into the study database. Now it takes 10 minutes. Anne can use the extra time to focus on her patients or getting study supplies ready for her next visits instead of being rushed. When Colin, our monitor, opens the study database, he gets to see the database values and source documents in the same platform with confidence scores highlighting potential issues. Instead of spending the afternoon comparing values from a paper binder, Colin spends his time in the clinic visiting with the PI and site staff, answering questions, fostering relationships, and keeping things running smoothly. Harbor doesn't replace clinical research staff. It gives them more space for care, so subjects stay enrolled, so coordinators stay engaged, so trials move faster. Harbor, the new system of record for clinical trials.